What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar. Today, I want you to come with me to Mexico for a food trip, as we're gonna prepare those amazing chicken burritos. Now, to make an amazing burrito, we're gonna need some wraps, right? Valentina is gonna show us how quick and easy it can be to prepare some homemade wraps. First, put the flour into a big bowl. Then add up warm water, a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now start to mix it up with the spoon and after a few minutes dig in with your own hands. Put some flour on your working table and transfer your dough here so you can keep working on it until you obtain a smooth and soft product. Now cut it down in 2 pieces and start to roll the dough. With your hands first and then with a rolling pin or actually anything with a tube form. Once your wrap gets thin enough, throw into the frying pan on medium-high heat. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes each side. Et voila! Now repeat the process for the second wrap and make sure to don't make the bubbles pop, okay? Nice! Now that we have our wraps, it's time to fill them, I guess. So let's prepare the other ingredients. Start by taking care of some chicken slices. A couple of olive oil spray, a good sexual massage. Oh yeah! And a pinch of salt should seal the deal. Ready to get grilled. Just leave them on the grill while getting forward with the other stuff. About the beans, I like red or black ones with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of Mexican seasoning. Now cut some cheddar slices and we should have everything we need. Turn your chicken after 5 minutes and let them cook on the other side as well. Once it's well done, take it out and start to make some strips from it. Use the size that you like the most here. For me, I like to have some big chicken strips in my burrito, as you can see. I know, you want to start eating now, but we need one more step. I promise you will be glad for this one later. So throw the beans into the frying pan with the shredded cheese. Now cover with a lid and let the cheese melt. 3 minutes should be enough. Yeah, that's how I like it. Okay, we are ready. Let's compose a delicious burrito. This was one of the most tasty recipe I tried till now, to be honest, so I hope you will enjoy it as well. Make sure to leave a big like and let me know if there is any, let's say, unhealthy recipe that you would like me to turn into a macro-friendly meal. I'll catch you very soon with another video. See ya!